Hey everybody, this is Mr. Calder, obviously. Today is October 11th. Actually, today is October 10th, but I'm doing a lesson for October 11th. I'm here on a Sunday night. It's about 8:15 p.m. Okay, but I'm doing a lesson because obviously you can see that I'm not here today. Um, I will be back tomorrow. I've got sick kids. The one kid who isn't sick needs to go to the dentist. So I'm trying to help facilitate all that. Just got some family stuff you got to take care of once in a while. So that's what I've got going. Anyway, I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope life is good. The first thing that I would like you guys to do, um, very first thing I'd like you guys to do is you're going to have a do now for your weekend and you're setting goals, okay, for this week. Okay, remember not to do just one. Okay, remember to write about your weekend, give a good summary of your weekend. Okay, and then also make sure that you set goals. One goal for inside of school, one goal for outside of school. Okay, and get those turned in. There will be a spot for that on today's Canvas. Okay, the next thing that we need to do, um, we're going to take a look at. While I'm finding this, though, guys, make sure that that I have a great report from the substitute teacher when I come back. Please, you guys are great kids. I'm not even worried about it, but just make sure that you guys do your job, do your work, um, answer questions that she might have. You guys know the routine in here, so let's just make sure that we stick to it and get good things done. Okay, while I'm gone. All right. Okay, so we have done page 208 and 209, okay? Looking at page 209, if you remember, that's where we had to identify if it was an event or an emotion from Elizabeth Keckley's life from when Abraham Lincoln was assassinated. Okay, and you guys got that turned in. Take a look at it, guys, and make sure that you turned in 209. If you haven't, then take some time and get that done so you can get those points. Okay, today we are looking at page 210. Okay, we're going to start writing a paragraph. Okay, all right, your writing prompt is to write a paragraph analyzing how people in Washington, D.C. reacted to President Lincoln's assassination and behind the scenes. Okay, so what does this prompt ask you to analyze? Okay, you find that right there, guys. Okay, you should be able to find that answer right where I'm circling with the pointer. Okay, the prompt asked me to analyze blank. Okay, and you guys will put that in there. Okay, choose precise language. Complete the chart with 2 precise words that could replace each everyday word. Okay, alright, so we've got worried, concerned. What are 2 other words? Worried, I like stressed. Okay, when I'm worried, I'm stressed. So we got concerned, we've got stressed. What would be another word for worried? Okay. All right, now we've got sadness, sorrow. Okay, what are 2 other words for sadness and sorrow? Maybe lowliness, loneliness with an N. Okay, what did they put? Misery or grief, possibly. Okay, the same, comparable, even. Okay, and I'm going to let you guys fill in that next part. Okay, so what we are doing, okay, and all I'm going to have you do is turn in page 210 today. Okay, because your paragraph, your weekend and goals should take up a fair amount of time. Okay, right here, this is what we'll continue on with on Tuesday. Okay, in blank, author's blank. Okay, and we will fill that in, but you can kind of take a look at it. All right, make sure we get that done and do a good job with that. With that being said, okay, so that's what you'll do on page 210. Okay, then I would like you to jump into, let's do student application and also your independent reading. Okay, we're doing a great job with our reading. We're well on track to beat our goal, and and you're doing a great job with that. But let's make sure we spend 15-20 minutes, and then 15-20 minutes. If you guys will explain to the sub how we make those transitions, that would be much appreciated. I will also write it up on the board so that you guys don't have any confusion. Okay? All right. Hope you guys have a great day. Feel free to send me a message in Canvas if you have any questions. Thank you.